into a given ratio. How to divide a given line into a given ratio, as we have here that divide a line 90 millimeters into 3:4:5. Divide a line 90 millimeters into 3:4:5. So to do this is very simple, as we have looked at how we can divide a line into a number of equal parts. Now we want to look at how we can divide a given line into a given ratio. In this case, the length of the line is 90 millimeters, while the ratio of division is 3:4:5. Let's look at how this can be done. Now, what you have to do first is that we are going to sum this together. So if I add 3 plus 4 plus 5, okay, so this is going to give me, I have the sum to be 3 plus 4 and then plus 5, and then this will give me what? This will give me 12 equal points. Okay, so we have this to be 12. Okay, so you need to do this sum. So when you add the ratio together, so take note of what you arrive at when you sum them together. Now let's go on and see how this can be done to divide the 90 millimeters into 3:4:5. Now what we have to do first is that we have to draw the line 90 millimeters to long. So we need to make use of the ruler to take the measurement. So let's say that this line is 90 millimeters long. Okay, so let's call it line AB. So this is line AB, 90 millimeters long. Then the next that we are going to do is that we are to draw a line from point A that we at an angle to line AB. So from this point A, just set your rule like this, and then so draw a line from this point. Draw a line from this point A in this direction. So just move the pen. So just go this way with your pencil on the line. Okay. So this is line AC. This line AC, it has no measurement. It has no length. Okay. Just draw it and make sure it is at an angle to line AB, and then don't let it be less than 30. Okay. So let it look well as I've done it here. Alright, so next that we are going to do is that we are going to make 12 equal points on this line. 12 equal points on this line. So let's assume that we are taking 10 millimeters each. As I said, when we did that of the division of the line to a number of equal parts, I said the length that you are to take in putting number of equal points on this line, it depends on you. You are going to decide that. Okay, you can make use of 10 millimeters or 15 or 20 or 25. Oh, it depends on the length of this line AC. Okay, let us assume that we are making use of 10 millimeters in this case. So 10 millimeters in 12 equal parts on this line AC. Okay, so let's say we have this is 1, and then here we have another 10 millimeters. This is 2, this is 3, and then here we have 4, this is 5, here we have 6, this is 7, here is 8, and then we have this is 9, this is 10, and then we have 11, and then we have 12. Okay, so based on the summation that we did here, adding the ratio together, that's why we have 12 equal points here, and this doesn't have to be this end. Okay, so take note of what we have done. So let us remember each of these points. So this is 1, and this is 2. So then we have this to be 2. Okay, so this is 2, and then this is 3. Here we have this to be 4. Okay, this is 4. Here is 5. This is 6. This is 7. Here we have 8, and then this is 9. So this is 10. We have 11, and then we have 12. Okay, so we have 12 here. Okay, this is 12 points. Alright, so I will come back each of the points. So let's start now to see how this will be different from that of division of the line into a number of equal parts. In this case, as I said, we are dividing into this ratio 3:4:5. Let's start with this 3 at the front. Okay, so we start from here. So count 3 points. This is 1, 2, 3. So let's take note of this point. Okay, point 3. to make this different is what we want to do now. So set the set square, set along this line 12B, set along this line 12B, just set like this, okay? So set along line 12B as we have it here, like this, okay? And then put the ruler under it, put the ruler under it, set 12, and put the ruler under the set square. Then we now shift to 0.7, so shift set square, slide to 0.7 as we have it here. So draw a line from this 0.7, let it go up and touch this line AB, then shift again to 0.3, okay? Then you draw a line from there to touch line AB. So this is what we are to do, to divide the line into a given ratio. Very simple, okay? Very simple. So all that you have to do is to practice, and when you practice, you get used to this work. It's very simple. So you can see how I did it. Very, very simple. So practice this, and then practice more, and then God will help you to understand it.